Connor. Connor. Can you roll over? Connor.
I don't even know if I should shower.
Yeah.
Connor.
I want to, though. I feel so gross.
Can you roll over?
Be sweaty.
Huh? Huh? Come on.
Yeah, but then I can
Oh, it's so close.
But you're going to get sweaty in 1 minute after
So
you're done.
close.
Here's a clean fit now.
So close. Come on.
When you're
Oh,
little, you would get dirty.
Good rolling over.
Then if I get dirty,
He's 5 months
then I
old
wanna
today.
get clean, like, as soon as I can.
Yeah.
Gross.
Now you just need to roll back over. Huh. Yeah.
Like a lot of people, I like took showers before football games.